Look at the top and bottom portion of your textbook. Have you noticed the page number, name of the book, name of the unit, your standard, etc. appearing repeatedly on each page? We can also include such repeatedly appearing details in the page of our document. This is called header and footer. To do this, click on Insert menu, Header and Footer, Header Default Style option. Then the cursor appeared on the top of the document. Type a header to the document, superscript and subscript. Header appears at the top of each page and footer at the bottom. To insert a footer on the document, click on Insert menu, Header and Footer, Footer by default style. Now the cursor appeared at the bottom of the document. Then insert a page number. Click on Insert menu, Field option, Page number. Now the page number displayed on the document. Change the position of the page number into center. Click on the Align Center option from the Formatting toolbar. Now header and footer inserted on the document. Arrange the information in columns. Fill the entire page and select the page. Click on Format menu, Page option. Page Style dialog box appears. Click on the Columns tab of Page Style window. Provide the number of columns required in the columns settings. Adjust the width and spacing of the columns using the Width and Spacing option. Column width will be adjusted equally if there is a tick mark against auto width. But if we remove the tick mark, we can adjust the width and distance of the columns according to our requirement. Then click on OK button. The information is arranged in 3 columns. A new page is inserted into the document. Students, look at the screen. The header and footer automatically inserted to the next page. Next is to include pictures in the document. You have learned in earlier classes how to insert pictures. To insert a picture, click on Insert menu, Image option. Insert Image dialog box appears. Choose the destination folder and select the image. The preview is available. Select an image, then click on Open option. Now the image inserted into the document. To change the size and position of the picture, select the picture and drag the mouse and click on the squares that see around the picture. Now click and drag the mouse to adjust the size according to our requirement. To move the picture to the required position, click on the picture and drag the mouse. To add another picture into the document, place the cursor where we want to insert the picture. Then click on Insert Image icon from the standard toolbar. Insert Image dialog box appears. Select the destination of the folder. Then select the image and click on Open button. The picture is inserted into the document. While inserting a picture, some words or sentences may get displaced. This can be rectified using the Wrap tool. For this, Right-click on the picture and select a suitable wrap style from the wrap menu. If you wish to place pictures between words, it is preferable to choose page wrap or optimal page wrap options.